order to fix a Netflix black screen on a smart TV, you need to first go ahead and restart the TV and your home network by unplugging them for 30 seconds. If the problem continues, clear the Netflix app cache, and if that does not work, uninstall and reinstall the application. You should also check for and install any available TV firmware and Netflix app updates, and if necessary, perform a factory reset on your TV to resolve deeper software conflicts. First, go ahead and restart the TV. Turn off your smart TV, unplug it from the power outlet, and wait for at least 30 seconds and then turn it on. Also, unplug your modem and router from power for 30 seconds and plug them back in and wait until the indicator lights show a stable connection before turning your TV on. Also, clear the app cache and reinstall the Netflix application, update the software and firmware, and check your TV's setting for any available system or firmware updates, as outdated software can cause app malfunctions, so installing updates can improve the compatibility. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.